What's the meaning of continuous assessment? Continuous assessment. Continuous assessment.
Continuous assessment. Continuous assessment. Continuous assessment is an ongoing evaluation process that measures a student's progress and achievements over a period of time, rather than relying solely on one final exam. This method involves a variety of assessment tools such as quizzes, tests, essays, and projects, all of which are graded and contribute to the final grade earned by the student. The purpose of continuous assessment is to provide a more accurate measure of a student's understanding of the subject matter and to identify any areas where additional support may be needed. It also allows for early intervention when necessary to help ensure success.